Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, my name is Sylvia Ningrum, NIM 1820591 dari Prodi Pendidikan Bahasa Inggris di Universitas Pancasakti. Kali ini kita akan ngebahas tentang Cultural Adjustment untuk memenuhi tugas mata kuliah CCU. Cultural adjustment. Living in a culture that is different from your own can be both an exciting adventure and a challenging process, regardless of what country you are from. It is common for all international students to go through a period of cultural adjustment. Understanding this adjustment process and getting support through these transitions will help you to have a more fulfilling experience, both academically and personally. Culture shock. The values, social norms, and traditions in the US may be very different from beliefs about how things should be in the country where you grew up. When individuals move to another culture, they naturally carry their own background and life experience with them, and this shapes how they perceive and adjust to their new environment. For example, some of you may find American classroom culture easy to adjust to, while others may struggle significantly in this area. Culture shock is a common experience that describes the feelings of confusion, stress, and disorientation that occur when entering an unfamiliar culture. Strategies to help you cope with the adjustment process. The first is culture is relative. Culture is relative, which explains why individuals from different cultures may perceive American norms differently. For some, the American communication style may seem too direct, while others may find it not direct enough. As an international student, you will be exposed to many new customs, habits, and ideas. Try to avoid labeling them as good or bad according to the culture you are from. Remember that they may be parts of a culture you dislike or disapprove of, but these are part of a broader social system and therefore make more sense inside that system. The second is be open-minded and curious. Adjusting to a new culture does not mean that you have to change your own values, but it is important to respect views of other people. When you find yourself in an unfamiliar situation, try to think of it as a new adventure. Allow yourself to be curious about the way things are perceived and done in this new environment. Next is use your observation skills. Since you will encounter unfamiliar rules and norms, observing how others are acting in a situation can help you understand what behavior is expected of you. Pay attention to both the verbal and nonverbal communication of others in order to get a more complete picture of what is going on. And the next is ask questions. Ask for help when you need it. Asking for assistance or an explanation does not have to be considered a sign of weakness. Understanding others and making yourself understood in a new language or context requires lots of rephrasing, repeating, and clarifications. It may be helpful to ask questions like, "As I understand it, you are saying, is this correct?" Next, it's okay to experience anxiety. Learning to function in a new environment is not easy. It is natural to feel anxious or frustrated sometimes. The key is to remind yourself that these feelings are normal and are likely to be situational and temporary. Give yourself and others permission to make mistakes. You will inevitably make mistakes as you explore a new culture. If you can find humor in these situations and laugh at them, others will likely respond to you with friendliness and support. Keep in mind that others will probably make mistakes too. When someone makes an inaccurate assumption or a generalized statement about your culture, it may be due to a lack of information. If you're comfortable with doing so, this can be an opportunity to share information with others about yourself and your culture. Next is take care of your physical health. Be mindful about keeping a healthy diet and getting enough exercise and rest. Try to find an activity that you enjoy and make it part of your routine. Being physically active can help reduce your stress level. The next is find a cultural ally. An American friend or another international student who has been in the US for several years can be a great consultant on cultural expectations when you have questions or need a second opinion on something. This person can help clarify confusions and provide support as you adjust to a new environment. Seek out support from other international students. Many international students find it helpful to discuss their concerns with others who are going through similar transitions. Talking with others about their adjustment to the new culture can provide ideas and insight about your own experience. Be patient, don't try to understand everything immediately. The process of adjusting to a new culture requires time. It may also require a different amount of time for different areas of adjustment. Try to encourage yourself to be patient with this experience and not be overly critical of yourself. Oke everyone, sekian presentasi dari saya. Semoga apa yang tadi saya jelaskan bisa dimengerti oleh kalian. Thanks for watching, see you next day.